Hello folks, welcome to Teach Kulaji. Today we are going to learn how to install Java JDK along with the setting of environment variables in our computer. So first we are going to log on to Google and search for Java JDK download 64. And go to the third link, which is Java SE Development Kit 13. We would be on this Oracle website. So going to the bottom, we are going to go for Windows 64-bit installer. So I'm going to click over here. After getting reviewed, accepting the agreement, we would download JDK. It would ask for your username, so you are going to enter your username and password, and the download would begin over here. So to save our time, I probably downloaded the software, so I can show you how we are going to proceed further and set up the environment variables in order to set up Java JDK, because it is required in many of the applications to have priorly installed Java development environment so that the application can run nicely. So I would show you that the downloaded file would be in the form of this JDK 13.02. This is the version of the JDK and this is for Windows. So after signing into your Oracle account, we are going to download this Java software. So proceeding further, here we are about to done. So here we are going to be done within few minutes. So I'm going to keep it default, next. So here we are done. So after pushing the button close, then we are going to go to this PC and going to the program files, so we can take the exact address of Java JDK. So inside local disk C, you are going to you would go to program files, then to Java, you would find Java JDK folder over here. You are going to go into it. We would click on bin folder, and we are over here because we want the exact address where the bin folder of Java JDK 13.02 is being located, so we can create an environment variable so it is accessible throughout our system. So whenever any application which requires Java development environment, so it would be easy for it to access it. So just click over here, so we can copy the address, and in the search bar we are going to write env, and it would show that added system environment variables. So by clicking over here, this window would be opened, system properties. Then by clicking environment variables, we are going to go to this path one. After clicking this path, we are going to go to edit, and after edit we are going to click over here new, then paste the path which we copied from there, and after pressing OK, our environment variable would be added. So by clicking again, we can see that Java JDK environment has been set. I priorly did set the environment variable, so it is also residing further. It doesn't matter, so I'm going to delete it. So this would be this similar scenario for you. Java JDK environment variable would be set up for you. So after pressing OK, and OK, your Java JDK development environment would be set up. So hope you liked our video. Subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you.